Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to build and fully understand a Telegram news bot using Node.js, Firebase Firestore and News API. By the end of this video, you will understand every line of code, you will understand how Firebase works internally, you will understand how a Telegram bot communicates with users. Let's begin. We store user searches in Firebase Firestore. We fetch live news using News API. This project allows users to insert a new search request, gets news articles later using category and date. Let's check my code step by step. In first, importing required libraries. Node Telegram Bot API allows our Node.js app to talk with Telegram servers. Ashes use it to make HTTP request. We use it to fetch news from News API. Firebase admin, official Firebase SDK for backend, gives full access to Firestore databases. So next come to configuration variables. Const bot token equals to your Telegram bot token, which is created from bot father in Telegram bot, and const news API key equals to our API key which is already existed and which we used it in. Bot token generated using bot father identifies and authenticates your Telegram bot. News API key generated from news.api.org organization. We have used it from that website, required to fetch real-time news. Next, coming to Firebase service account. This file is downloaded from Firebase console. It contains project ID, private keys, client email. This allows secure server-to-server authentication. Next, coming to initialize Firebase. Admin initialize app credential, admin credentials, certain service account. This means that initialize Firebase admin SDK uses certificate-based authentication, no username or password needed. Ideal for backend applications. Creates Firestore database instances. A DB is used to insert data, query data, read user history. And we use it in often. Telegram bot initializing. Next step is const bot equals to new Telegram bot token, which is polling we given as true. It explains that it creates Telegram bot object. Polling true means bot continuously check for new messages. Simple and beginner friendly method it is. And we use command start bot on text start message bot dot send message welcomes to new bot news bot. Here it explains that listens for start, sends instruction to the user. Message.chat.id uniquely identifies the user chat. Next, it comes to message listeners. Bot.on message. It explains that listens to all incoming messages marked async because Firebase operations API calls are asynchronous. It ignores images, stickers, commands like start, and we pass user input like const paths equals to message.text.split, const action, const category, const date equals to paths. It explains if user types insert business where we have inserted 2025 1218. It actually done as action insert category business date 2025 to 1218. We done as insert operation into the Firebase. Insert operation when we done, it stores data in Firestore. User ensures user specific history. Otherwise ensure data is saved before response. So here this is how we insert our data by return bot.send message which is stored successfully, which we have inserted in that, and then we get the message what we have stored and what we actually want from API key. And here we have get action, await collections like that, and we have used const.url where we have kept the API key here of news API organization which we have already generated before. And this is the remaining code of sending the message and fetching the news. If there is any error or there is any network problem, we get error fetching news, and remaining is same. And now we go to Firebase, and this is key.json which we have actually created from Firebase, where it generates our key. This is our database, and from here we have generated our key.json, and we have inserted in VS Code. Here 5 story is no SQL database, cloud-based documentation oriented. We collect the data and document it, and fields the means we have actually stored the all data in there. Each insert creates a new document. Why Firebase is ideally here? No, because no server management, fast querying, scalable, secure backend access. Here, this is actually what we have the database, and I have created my project in the name of project D, and this is my Firebase database. And from, let's check what is happening. Telegram web. Actually, what is a Telegram bot? A Telegram bot is an automated software agent that interacts with users through Telegram chats. Here it works like when we user to Telegram map to Telegram servers to Node.js bot to response. Here we use here I have used commands like start, insert, get to save search information, fetches news. This is my bot which I have created from bot father, and I have started like by inserting start, and have got welcome to the news bot. And now I'll insert my data. Now I have stored successfully my data which is in database. This is where it shows category, business, date, and user ID. This is how I store my data. And for get business, this is of Telegram bot development, Firebase Firestore usage, API integration, backend logic flow. It is helpful to daily news notification, user authentication, favorite articles, multi-language support. And here error fetching news because of the network issues. And so I'm closing here. So this is actually my bot, and this is project the database where I have stored all my data collections. And this is my keys.json which is I have created from Firebase, and this is my code where I have kept my token which I have created from bot father, and this is my API key. Thank you.